Hello, Miss Lần tell story. Nature Stink. Stinky nature. If you ever smell a skunk, you know it is not a nice odor. In fact, it's terrible. Did you know that both plants and animals can smell bad? Stinky plants smell bad to get helpful. Instead to come near. Stinky animals often smell bad to keep enemies away. Smelling bad helps both plants and animals stay alive. Stinky furry animal. Skunks are well-known smelly animals when enemies get close. Skunks lift their tail and spray a stinky liquid. A striped polecat are called cousin of skunk. They stink ever worse. Lizards and turtles. They shoot a smelly liquid at their enemies. Opponents pretend to be dead if an enemy is near. They stay still and let out stinky green slime. Wolverines make a smelly liquid to keep other animals away from their home. They also pee on food they don't eat right away. The smell may help them find the food later. It may also keep other animals from eating. Mole musks often fight each other females. Moles use stinky pee to tell other moles to keep away. The pee stick to their long bellied hair and make them smell terrible.